Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through what to do if your account or content is flagged for violating Instagram's community guidelines. Let's get started with a few simple steps. When you get a community guidelines violation, Instagram sends you a notice explaining which post or action violated the rules. Open your Instagram app, go to your profile, then settings, and scroll down to account status. Then review the details of the violation. If you believe the decision was made in error, you can appeal it. In the violation notice, there is usually an option to disagree with the decision or appeal. Tap on it and explain why you think the decision is wrong, then submit your appeal for review. If the appeal is not an option, or if the violation is valid, you can edit or remove the content that caused the issue. Go to the post in question and either delete it or make the necessary changes to comply with Instagram's guidelines. To avoid future violations, familiarize yourself with Instagram's community guidelines. This includes rules about hate speech, harassment, nudity, and copyright. Go to Settings, scroll all the way down and tap Help. Then tap Community Guidelines to review them and make sure your content follows these rules. Finally, if your account has multiple violations, Instagram may restrict or suspend it. Take a moment to go through your previous posts and ensure they follow Instagram's guidelines to prevent further issues. And that's it. By following these steps, you can address a community guidelines violation and avoid future issues. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!